Hello my dear students, once again welcome back to my channel. So we'll be going to solve this 17th question in polynomial written on the screen. Find the sum of all possible positive integers x such that x square minus x plus 120 divided by x minus 1 into x plus 1 is an integer, they asked. So guys, I'll be going to divide the numerator by the denominator polynomial because we have cubic in numerator and the quadratic in denominator. So yeah, it can be easily divided by me. So what is the numerator polynomial we have? X cube minus x plus 120 divided by x minus 1 multiplied by x plus 1. So what will be written over here in the numerator? I'll be going to take x as the common from first two things. It will be becoming x square minus 1 plus 120 divided by x minus 1 times of x plus 1. Now I'll be going to separate the numerator x into x minus 1 into x plus 1 divided by x minus 1 into x plus 1 plus 120 divided by x square minus 1. Now this will be going to get cancelled with this will be going to get cancelled with this. So finally we'll be going to get what? X plus 120 divided by x square minus 1. Now guys, x square minus 1 should be what? Factor of 120. Then what will be going to get? 120 upon x square minus 1 as an integer. And that time x itself would be an integer. At x itself should be an integer. If x square minus 1 is the factor of 120, that should also generate x as an integer. So we'll be going to consider that all values of x square minus 1 which are the factor of 120 and at the same time which are making the value of x as integer. So I'll be going to write all the factors of x square, all the factors of 120. So factors of 120 we are knowing are what? Plus or minus 1. Then similarly plus or minus 2. Okay, so plus or minus common I am writing outside each and everything. It is there. Then 2 is there, then 3 is there, then 4 is there, then 5 is there, then 6 is there, then 8 is there, then 10 is there, then 12 is there, then 15 is there, then 20 is there, then 24 is there, then 30 is there, then 40 is there, then 60 is there, and 120 itself is there. Now guys, this all values can be the value of x square minus 1. Okay, x square minus 1 can have all these values written over here. 1, 2, 3 with plus or minus sign, 4, 5, 6, 8, 10, 12, 15, 20, 24, 30, 40, 60 and 120. I'll be going to check which all values are possible because x should also be an integer, no? At the same time. So if I'll be going to take x is equal to plus 1, no, that will not yield x as an integer because x square will become 2 and x will become plus or minus root 2. Okay. So then I'll be going to take x is equal to x square minus 1 as minus 1. So x will be becoming an integer as 0 over here. Great. Awesome. Now guys, we'll be going to take what? Plus 2 and I'll be taking, no, that will not be yielding an integer because 2 plus 1 will be 3 and x will be becoming plus or minus root 3. But if minus 2 I'll be taking, minus 2 plus 1 will become what? Minus 1. So minus all after this, no, minus I cannot take. I cannot take minus sign after minus 1. Okay, we would have to look for the plus sign only because x square will be becoming negative quantity if I'll be going to take the minus sign with 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 so on. So then we'll be going to take what? Plus quantity only. So here it is becoming 3 which is not a perfect square. Here it is becoming 4 so which is a perfect square. So the value of x will be becoming what? 2 over here. I could take the value of x as. So value of x will be becoming 2 my dear students because of this x square minus 1 as 3 I have taken. Now can I take it as 4? I cannot take it as 4 because then 5 will be the value. I want it to be a perfect square. Here also I cannot take, here also I cannot take, but yeah, this one I can take. So the value of x over here will be becoming what? 3. This I cannot take, this I cannot take, this one I can take. So the value of x here will be becoming what? 4. This I cannot take, this one I can take. The value of x here will be becoming what? 5. then this one I cannot take, then this one even I cannot take, this one also even I cannot take, but this one I can take. Then value of x will be becoming what? 11. So guys, what did they ask? They asked the sum of all positive integer x. Okay, all positive integer x. That's why only I wrote +2 only, not plus or minus 2. +3 only, +4 only, +5 only, +11 only, not plus or minus 11. Because it's a quadratic, no? So it will be having two factors, plus or minus 11, plus or minus 5, plus or minus 4, plus or minus 3, plus or minus 2. But we would have to consider the positive factors only, because in the question itself they asked us sum of all positive integer x. So the sum of this all positive integer x will be becoming what? This will be making this fractional, means cubic by quadratic as an integer. This cubic and quadratic will be becoming integer for this all positive values of x. That is 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 11 will be our final answer. That is equal to 25. Hope you guys would have understood it, would have enjoyed it. Thanks for watching, my dear students.